Hello everyone, let us start with the today's video of the second point of ISE, that is the role of information system in the organization. So here first of all introduction. The MIS plays a major role in the organization in which they are going to satisfy the variety of needs according to that organization. For example, query system, analysis system, modeling system, or the decision support system. These are the parts of organization, and if they want to do any of the decision or they want to process any type of data, at that time MIS is the most important one. Next to that, role of IS in the organization, how it is going to help at the different levels one. So first of all, it is helping at the clerical personnel, means what, it is working at the transaction processing level. They are able to answer the queries which are collected from the various databases one. So when the data is collected and any of the person want to get answer within the TPS system, then it can be done at the basic level. So here is the first one. Second, MIS or the IS helps the junior management by providing the operational data for the planning and controlling, and they helps in decision making. Means what, when the data is collected at the TPS level, then that data need to be operated. The data need to be planned and controlled. At that time, the junior management needed somewhat helps, and that can be useful for making the decision. In this case, the role of IS is that to get a proper decision one. Also, the IS plays one of the important decision for setting the target, short-term planning, or controlling the business function, helping to that of a middle management. Simultaneously, IS helps the top management in goal setting, planning, and evolving the business plans and their implementation. Now exactly what is the impact of this MIS? It is going to have various types of the function impacts. Like first, with the good MIS support, the management of marketing, finance, production and personnel, they becomes more efficient. Means efficiency is going to be increased by implementing a good type of a MIS one. The manager is kept alert by providing certain information indicating and probable trends in the various aspects of business. The manager should know each and everything, whatever will be the going on within the market. Means latest trends should be informed to that of a manager, and these alerts can be given to that of a manager through use of your MIS. MIS, it is going to help for forecasting and long-term perspective planning. When any of the management want to do a long-term planning, so for assigning the goal or setting that particular goal and objective, MIS plays very important role. Next to that, there is a impact of MIS. MIS, it plays important role of information generation, communication, problem identification, which helps in process of decision making. Means what, as we are knowing that according to definition of our IS is nothing but a collection of computers which are connected by a network, and all these are having somewhat installed software on it. The peoples are going to handle all these one, but why we are doing that? So as to generate the information, collect the information. Means what, we are collecting the data, we are processing on data, and we are storing the data. Why we want to store the data? Because we want to generate the information and we want to communicate that information to the needy persons one. So for that purpose, MIS is the most important one. It also helps indirectly to pull the entire organization in one direction. Means what, when we want to assign, when we want to have a particular goal or objective, and we have a predefined goal and objective, then we are working to get that one achieved. And for that purpose, when the MIS is there, it is carrying out all the activities which are going to pull all the entire organization in the same direction, whether it may be directly or it may be indirectly. So it is going to help the people which are working in that organization by providing the relevant information. Now we are next to that, role of IS in the organization. It satisfies the diverse need through variety of system. Which are those system? Like a query system is there, analysis system is there, modeling system and decision support systems are there. So all these are most important system which makes the help of MIS so as to satisfy the people's need, like your help desk one. So like the same way here, MIS, they are helping for the strategic planning management, controlling or operational control and transaction processing. When we want to make any of the long term goal, at that time MIS plays very important role. They are going to help the junior management by providing the operational data. Which data? It can be used for planning, scheduling and controlling. They are helping them for further decision making at the operational level so as to correct out the control situation. Means any type of a situation, if the correct data is provided, then the people can handle by their own. So MIS, they are helping in such a way to the junior management. Next to that, MIS helps in the middle management when there is a short term planning, or if we want to set a target, or we want to control the business function. At that time, by making the use of variety of tools available in the MIS, middle management can do all these things. Now, what is the role of your MIS in the top level management? When any of the middle management want to assign or want to get a short term planning, at that time there is a need to have a goal setting which can be done by the top level management. So for that purpose, if there is a strategic planning or how that process will going to evolve, all that is nothing but a higher level work, and it can be done by the top level management, and it is done along with the help of MIS, as proper information is provided to this top level management for making the decision. MIS, it plays the role of information generation, communication problem identification, and they are helping for the process of decision making. Thus, our MIS plays a vital role in the management, administration and operation of an organization. So here is the end of your second point one.